What the hell am I still doing here? I mean, I pushed myself hard to get to where I am now, and I've sacrificed so much. And I've always said I wanted my own command, but I don't know, something's not right. Is it wrong for me to stay?
What do you think?
I think that maybe I'm just afraid of the big chair.
I don't think so.
I mean, Captain always says that I remind him of him. The way he used to be. And he's right. When I came here with drive, ambitions, motivation to take risks. But I look at myself now and I wonder, what the hell happened to me? I don't know, I'm missing something.
You're older, more experienced. Some call it seasoned.
Oh God, it's a horrible thing to say to someone.
Look, I don't think you've lost anything. I think you've gained more than you realize. You're a lot more comfortable with yourself than you've ever been.
Well, maybe that's the problem. Maybe I've gotten too comfortable.
I don't think I'm sure I know what that means. You're happy here. Happier than I've ever known you to be. So it really boils down to one question. Do you want the big chair?